This is Chris from Curbside Laundries, and today we'll be talking about the franchise mode for our software. With the franchise mode enabled, each store is capable of creating and managing their own routes and service areas, and earnings from those service areas can go into separate merchant accounts, thus removing the need for an accountant to manually separate earnings from different pickup and delivery stores. To facilitate this, when creating a new service area, the store selection option appears. Simply select which store that the service area's earnings would be applicable. Owners can finally grant delegate access to any report, so if a manager or attendant needs accounting reports, they can be granted viewership of those reports under Maintenance Employees and clicking here. Next, we can select the reports to give delegate access to the employee. More reports in the Report tab also feature the Store filter, allowing franchise owners or delegated viewers more detailed information about each store's earnings and operations. As for drivers, they will now have access to the routes for each store that they are assigned to, so managers can have a driver for their specific store, or an owner can grant a driver access to the routes of multiple stores. Attendant gratuity is also linked to the processing store and reports, so attendants can properly receive their tips even if the order was originally not for their store. In this example, order 127 was processed at SuperSuds, but the transaction went to Curbside. The gratuity was given to SuperSuds attendant. We hope you've enjoyed this look into the features of the franchise mode. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. This has been Chris from Curbside, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.